Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that has MT.GOX repayment started. The second thing I would like to talk about is Grayscale refies Bitcoin spot ETF application as Barry Silbert departs. And the third news is all about that the Japanese cabinet approved a proposal to end taxation of unrealized cryptocurrency gains, which could be bullish in Japan for crypto and Web3. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day, I bring the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. I'm making short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Okay, so let's do it. Well, and for the start, as usual, let's have a look at the prices where we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 1% in the last 24 hours, 43,089 US dollar, while Ethereum is up 2.3% to 2,290 US dollar at the moment. When we're looking at the top gainers, Astra is up 27%, Bitcoin SV 25%, and Polygon about 19-20%. Then among the losers, you have Bonk 12% down, we have Oasis Network 8% down, and Near Protocol going down about 8%. So when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart on the daily, we can see that this trend line has holding pretty well. Actually, let's zoom in a bit more, right? You can see it here pretty well. And today, you know, this worked perfectly as a support. Also this support line here at 42,000-ish, and now we started to today grow a green candle. And in my personal opinion, now before this kind of spot Bitcoin ETF approval time, which is around the beginning of January, the first part of January at least, we're going to stay bullish because everybody's waiting for the moment, and depends what's going to happen, that will have an impact on the market for sure. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is about that some MT.GOX creditors say they have received a payment via PayPal. Well, this kind of MT.GOX thing goes now on forever, more than a decade when actually this whole thing happened. And now finally, maybe, yeah, some people start to receive some payment. At least this is what they are saying. So, yeah. Posts to MT.GOX creditors subreddit, as well as posts in dedicated Telegram channels, indicate that certain payments have indeed gone out. In the form of the Japanese yen, the creditors who appear to have chosen to receive such payment via PayPal. So probably those guys now receiving it. And Kobayashi wrote actually in a message to creditors that some cash repayments would be issued before the end of the year. So basically nowish we are really at the end of the year. And if this whole thing has started, obviously the majority going to receive it in 2024. But actually, there's always some panic around it. What if this goes on the market and this will push down the Bitcoin price? But to be honest with you, in a bullish market condition, when actually price is going up, these things will be kind of eaten by the market pretty quick. You know, even, you know, BlackRock would say like, I take it, you know, or something. Yeah, so I personally not really worried about this crashing the market, but it looks like maybe now some of the creditors started to receive it, and this is going on for a while. There were several deadlines in this year that yes, they're going to start and always postponed, and to the next one and the next one, and maybe some of them are saying they got, okay, well, we're going to see. There are no official announcement about it. Okay. Second thing is all about that Grayscale refis Bitcoin ETF application as Barry Silbert departs, and what that could mean for their application. So one of them who are going for Bitcoin spot ETF is definitely Grayscale, and their version is to turn Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into Bitcoin spot ETF. And now, there are all negotiations with the SEC and the BlackRock, and also Grayscale does the same, and now actually refills Bitcoin ETF application. And in the same time, while this happened, Barry Silbert, who is actually the CEO of its partner company, Digital Currency Group, announced his resignation from Grayscale's board of directors. And some crypto people believe that this is definitely a bullish sign, and it's more likely because of this that it can happen that Grayscale Bitcoin Trust could be turned into a spot Bitcoin ETF. And as you know, these deadlines for many of them, especially ARK, it's very important. It's the 10th of January. So many people say in the next 2 weeks, the approval can come. What do you think? You can let me know in the comment section. Right, and bullish news in Japan as well when it comes to crypto, as Japanese cabinet approved the proposal to end taxation of unrealized cryptocurrency gains. So when it comes to crypto taxes, every country different, and actually in Japan, they have to pay tax after unrealized cryptocurrency gains, which is definitely not the best for sure. And now the Japanese cabinet approved the proposal to end this. So the proposal, which needs to be debated, and the Japanese parliament will end corporate taxation on the difference between the market and the book values of crypto assets issued by other companies. And this would be definitely a bullish thing, and this is the way we should really go, because really pay tax after unrealized cryptocurrency gains, it's a mess, and it doesn't really work. Many countries has already fixed it, but not in all countries. But now there is a slight hope because of this in Japan. But the whole decision in the parliament, is still coming up. The debate is still coming up. Well, guys, that's it for today. I really hope you had a great time during Christmas. During Christmas, I also didn't make any videos. I spent the whole time with my family, because this is what Christmas is all about. But now, between Christmas and New Year's, I'm obviously back. And of course, I'm here next year in 2024, as I'm here in the last 3.5 years, every single day, making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related videos. So if you would like to get these fresh news on time, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.